Hi and welcome in my first episode about Unity Hub. It is awesome tool. This application allows us to manage our project, Unity versions, and Unity tutorial projects. You should look at your Unity project version. It is very important to work always on the same project version, the same version in school and in home, because when you're changing between version 2017.4 and you are going to, for example, my lectures, it will work, but when you back home and you try run the project on older version like 2017.4, it definitely will not work properly. Map will be cleared. The next very important is Learn tab. It shows you the project which you can use for your game, or you can base on these tutorials to improve your workflow. Or if you're an artist, you can use scripts from the tutorial projects to create your own games. Look at the installs. There are many versions of Unity. Your own versions, maybe older, which you have on your disk, official releases, beta releases, which can be useful for finding the new features from Unity. You also have a new to create new project, like in second lesson, open to open existing project, setup, and you can log in into your account. So for today, it's enough. See you in the next lesson.